Hello student, a very big Jai Hind and good morning to class 11 student. Today in our English literature, English class 11 from the Hornbill book, we are going to see the question answers. There are 10 question answers. First is give reasons of a following statement, means short answers we can say. And second part is question second, that is explain briefly in a essay type questions. So firstly, today in our contents we are going to see 5 questions, that is small questions, give reasons. So take out your Hornbill books. See here, this is your Hornbill books. Yesterday I have explained in the summary. Today we are going to see the question answers. So question answers from back exercise, page number 82. Open this. Okay, up till here your half yearly portion is completed. Okay, this much portion is going to come in your half yearly exam. So let us start. See, English class 11 question answers. Today's our topic, question answers. Question answers explain. Okay. So first question, before I will explain the question answer, it is time to see the summary part, little bit recollections. So let us start. The chapter is Silk Road. What is our heading? Silk Road. The author Neil has described it as an adventure story. Adventure means the author wants to be traveler and want to go to a pilgrimage to Mount Kailash. See, sketch of a Mount Kailash has been described in your textbook here. This is a picture of a Mount Kailash. See this picture, Mount Kailash. Okay. So this is a high hills Mount Kailash, and the friend Daniel, he is going to the Daniel, and it has been described. See. A flag lost half moon floated in a perfect blue sky in the morning. Pink as a sun is described about nature. The nature is a very beautiful place at Mount Kailash. Rao Lemon said she wanted to go me a farewell present. One evening I told that through Daniel that I was heading towards Mount Kailash to complete the Kora. Kora is a pilgrimage place where it's a very beautiful temple and we want to visit there. So Silk Road is said because it is consists the road and the roads are very curvy. So whatever problems, it's a very long chapter. Yesterday I have told you to read it, so you have understood it. I have explained a short summary. So the adventure, whatever stalking, the woolen clothes, because it's a ice place, means snowfall is happening, so lots of trouble has to be faced by the author. So all this adventure has been explained by the authors. Okay, so let us start. Our first question, give reasons for the following. Means you have to give the statements, reasons. Okay, first, the article has been titled Silk Road. See, the article has been titled Silk Road because it consists of the line which is connecting to Europe to Asia, means it is a traveling road. Why? Because Silk Road consists of a transportation. There are certain obstacles. The roads is very snowy. It is all a high mountain space. So it consists of Silk Road because they are doing the trading. The author wants to say the Silk Road because he wants to be like a traveler, like a Alexander the Great, means traveling from one place to another. There are nomads. He is seeing that people are doing their business. Okay, so all it has been described in the title. Second question, it has given, so we can write, Tibetan mastiff were popular in China and imperial counts. Okay, so Tibetan mastiffs. What the heading? Tibetan mastiffs consist of dogs. They are big hunting dogs which is used for a Supporting by nomads. Nomads are what describe meaning of nomads means bunch of sheep and cows and goats. They are living from one place to another for their working. So they have a dog. So dogs has been described as Tibetan mastiffs. Open page number 76. It will explain it to you. Page number 76. Open. See the line. Yes. See. Page number 76. You will got the answer. Line explanation. I will explain. Dogs would have chased for 100 meters so as before easing off. Having seen us of the property, it wasn't difficult to understand why ferocious Tibetan mastiff became popular in China imperial courts as hunting dogs, brought along the Silk Road in an ancient time as tribute from Tibet. So these are a very wonderful dogs, and it has been very big. They are using for safety and for their securities, these dogs. Okay, so in this imperial Tibetan means it discovered the dogs. Third, the author experience at Hor was in a stark contrast to earlier accounts of a place. See, what would mean a Hor? Hor means page number 77. It will explain. See, this is 77. Hor answer. Hor was a Greek miserable place. There was no vegetation whatsoever, just and rock liberally scattered with years of accumulated refuse, which was unfortunate. See, the author experienced at a Hor means Hor is a place where is game. So in that there is a lots of rocks. There is nothing to eat. It's a non-vegetarian. Vegetation means there is only the town set as a shore of a lake. Manaso Rovers. See, Manaso Rovers. Okay. So it is all a river area and there is nothing to eat. So author was feeling a bad experience. Means that okay. Now the author was disappointed with Derek. The author was disappointed with Derek because see, it is a very snowfall area. There is lots of cold. Their author is hungry. There is no properly food arrangements there. So that's why was author was disappointed. Author was disappointed because the Mount Kailash is a place where every time snowfall is here. The cold winter season has been there and it creates lots of problems. Transport has been obstacles. There is no proper food. There is no proper food arranged. Okay, so that's why it's a bad experience. It is very cold, so it is a disaster. But snowfall, ice. Last question. The author thought that his positive thinking steady worked well after all. The positive thinking steady worked well after all. This suggests that the author has an experience of his life. He want to say that there was snowfall disaster. So this answer let us check from the text agenda. See, open page number. It will become. See, page number 78. It was dark by the time we finally left again at 10 p.m. We drove outside a guest house in Daric from what turned out to be another trouble night. See, Daric is given. This is trouble night. Then what thoughts? The author has been thought, I woke up abruptly, something was wrong, my chest felt extremely heavy, I sat up, movement means it's a cold in the body of the author, so it has been described. Now, the author thought that positive thinking strategy. See, strategy, heavily I said, what is strategy? Means he has a Kora, a pilgrim place where he want to do the pilgrimage. So it consists of the town has a couple of rudimentary gestures. A town he has seen, he has experienced a place where rocks are found, and Kailash Kora he is doing. So it is a chapter that consists of see. The author thought that his positive thinking step worked well overall. The author is happy that he has experienced such a adventure journey and facing all the new things. Okay, so these are short answers. So in today's topic, Silk Road, first part is short answers explained. Short answers. Okay, so I will send you the question answers in a PDF form. You will note down it in your class or copy. Meanings has been given that you have to learn it, you have to recognize it and make this content. Okay. Tomorrow in our class we are going to see the brief explanation of long questions. So today you complete up till here. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.